Today we talk about how can you fix this problem on your Globoplay app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, you keep going down. So then here you click here on apps, then you come to apps list here. So then here you're looking for Globoplay app, or just click on search. Then here add Globoplay app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to show for you here like this. Then all you have to do, just click on for stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.